Good evening everybody, it's Richard from RL Heating and Plumbing. I just thought I'd do a quick short video to show you how a filter works. I put a post up earlier on this week about a boiler install that I completed, and I had a few questions asked about the magnetic filter, or the black filter thingy, or the black thingamabob that was on the boiler. The short video basically is just, I've got a demo jar off AD who make the filters for Worcester Bosch. The filter needs to go onto a system. It's a new British standard, BS 7593 2019. Just thought I'd check that because it only came out a couple of weeks ago. And it does actually state in there now that a magnetic filter is required and a chemical flush as a minimum for each new boiler installation. I do this as a matter of course anyway, and I've got an offer on at the moment that a free chemical flush is included. Now the demo jar that they've sent me actually shows what the magnetic filter does over the course of time of the use of your boiler. It's a clear jar, so it doesn't look like what you get when the boiler is installed, but it shows it perfectly because you can see what's going on inside. Now the jar, it's just filled with water and a sample of a heating system. Now as you can see at the moment that's quite clear. In the bottom you see all the black debris that's in there. That is sludge, or what they call magnetite, which is in your system. That's just built up years of sludge, the usage from the boiler, so what's in your radiators basically. It's the inside of the system. If I agitate this so it simulates that the pump is on, you see how dark the water goes. Now we also put chemicals in the system, so when we're cleaning the system we put a cleaner in there. That cleans the system out and breaks down this sludge so that we can drain it through and get rid of the sludge that's in there, the build-up of sludge. But then we put an inhibitor in there which prevents the rusting of radiators and the components from the inside out over time. Now the filter is full of the debris moving around in the system. As you can see, you can't see through that. That is how the radiators will look when the pump is running. Now here's where the magic happens. The strong magnet that is included inside of the filters, we put that in and watch what happens. Almost immediately it picks up all of that sludge, and that is now clear. You can see my hand behind it. That is now clear. So that is what the filter does. So over time that is protecting your boiler, so that's coming back from your system, goes through this before it goes into your boiler, and that is why we can offer the extended guarantees of up to 10 years on Worcester Bosch gas boilers, because of that filter. Hopefully that's giving you a little bit more information into what that is, and when we install it people don't ask too many questions of what is that thing there. That's exactly what it does.